Are you trying to act on climate change? Well, the Climate Fresk workshop is for you. Trying to understand climate change is complex, divisive, boring, but essential for survival. In just 3 hours, with one of the 45,000 facilitators worldwide in one of 45 plus languages, you can be part of the change. It's engaging, it's collaborative, it's simple to set up, it's creative, and it inspires action. So find a public workshop near you on climatefresk.org or join us to be a facilitator. And you can also contact us to set up a workshop for your organization, your school, or your university. The cards are in your hands.